Welcome back our channel. Today, I'm here to guide you through adding transitions to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you're in the Trim Edit button mode. Click on the end of the first clip and then the beginning of the next clip. Now, navigate to your timeline and click on ADD Transitions. Sometimes this won't immediately appear, but if it does, select Trim Clips to add the transition smoothly. Once added, you can adjust the transition duration. Additionally, you can change the transition style via the Inspector panel. Click on the inspector in the top right corner, then go to Transitions. Here, you can select different transition types and control their parameters. Let's take Edge Wipe as an example. You can modify its duration in frames or seconds and adjust the angle. With Edge Wipe, you can explore other options like border and feathering, which smoothens the blending between clips. DaVinci Resolve includes various transition presets. Access them by clicking on Effects in the top left corner, then navigate to Video Transitions. Hover your mouse over each transition to preview them. Congratulations, you have successfully added the transition. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.